Now, first thing you want to do is change the router's password. Go to System, Administration. Enter the new password twice in the router password field. And click Save at the bottom right to apply the changes. In the System section, you can change the time zone and update the host name to rename your router. Now go to Hotspot, Wi-Fi Hotspot. You want to create SSID and a password. This is where you will see an overview of your Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi v4 is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi v5 is a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi hotspot. First, let's set up the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. In the interface configuration section, you can edit the Wi-Fi name and password. ESSID, enter your Wi-Fi password. Only use letters, numbers, and dash instead of spaces. BSSID, leave this field blank. Network, no changes needed. Leave it as is. Next, get the Wireless Security tab. Encryption, choose WPA, WPA2, WPA3 or a mixed option. And it's best to use a semi-encryption for both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. Key, enter your Wi-Fi password. You can use letters, numbers, and basic symbols. Once done, click Save at the bottom right. Then save and apply to confirm it. Then the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Follow the same steps. Click Edit. In interface configuration, enter your Wi-Fi name, leave BSSID blank, and don't change anything in network. Go to the Wireless Security tab. Use a semi-encryption settings as the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enter your password, click Save, and then save and apply to confirm it. Now your 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi hotspot is ready to go. That's all it takes to set up both your 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi hotspots.